Inside the female body, there's a world in constant motion, quiet, rhythmic, and incredibly precise. Beneath the surface, the uterus is not still. It gently contracts and relaxes in smooth, wave-like patterns. These movements are subtle, but continuous, like a slow, natural rhythm flowing through soft muscle. As these waves travel across the uterine walls, they create motion within, not just in the tissue itself, but in the fluid contained inside. At a microscopic level, this fluid begins to shift, moving in response to each contraction. Tiny currents form, flowing in coordinated directions, guided by the movement of the surrounding muscle. It's a synchronized system, where motion and flow are closely connected. These gentle waves can influence how fluid travels, sometimes directing it toward the upper regions, sometimes allowing it to move back again, all in a calm, repeating cycle. Zooming out, the full picture becomes clear. The uterus is not just a structure, it's dynamic, responsive, and always active. Every movement, every flow, is part of a natural process happening within the body, every day. A hidden rhythm, quietly at work,